Can we just take a moment of silence for those lashes that got thrown away once they was old and didn't nobody know what else they could do with those lashes? They just threw them out and didn't care. Let's have a moment of silence. Alright everyone, so today, if you can tell by the title, hi! Before we get any further, if you can tell by the title, we're going to be testing out that hack that's been going around Instagram for about a while now. Everybody and their grandmother have been going crazy because, you know, I mean, I guess we've been sleeping on the rock for a long time not to know this little hack, okay? So I have recently just gotten to lashes, and I want to say thank y'all for pushing my behind my booty to get on the lash train, because my looks has been really, you know, better since I've got along with the lash train. So I just want to say thank you for that. So I saw the hack on Instagram itself, and then of course a lot of YouTubers are testing out the hack. I'm not wearing any lashes on right now, but we are going to definitely put on some right after we test this hack out. This hack is supposed to definitely enhance an old lash, probably about $1 or so, and make them very, very wispy and bulky, volumizing, dramatic lashes that has been sitting around for a while, probably either collecting dust. I don't know how well y'all treat y'all lashes, but you don't need to be collecting no dust, sweetie. But this lash is definitely supposed to, this hack is definitely, it's supposed to, you know, wake it up a little bit, get it out of that shell and just sparkle. So if you're new, hi, I am Beauty by Deanna D. You have 3 options to do so. You have 3 options to subscribe. I mean, come on, it's free, why not? I'm pretty sure after this video you're gonna want to, you know, subscribe to this channel. You have a mobile device here. You have one right here, that's your desktop, and you got boom on the screen. So yeah, so lashes helps a makeup look, it does, and it just opens, like, it just opens the look even more. Like, you can have a plain everyday look, but once you apply that one eyelash or eyelashes set, it really just give its life, like, it's just give it life all the way. So I'm so glad that this hack has been going around. It went viral, and I'm glad that I was able to catch it. So yeah, but without any further ado, let's test this hack out and see what it's all about. Colors lashes. These are the lashes in Danity. And I want y'all to get like a really good look of the lashes. Alright everyone, so this is the magic wand, which is the spoolie. And what you do is you're going to take the spoolie onto the lash and use swiggly motions. And you're just going to go one coat first. You're gonna go up and down with one coat, and then after that you're just gonna swiggle your way through each lash, and then that's how you're gonna get the volumizer. And then as you see, how can you tell the difference from the bottom? That's the one that I didn't do in the top one. You guys would have been like, dang, like, yes, it took me a long time to put these lashes on. Sometimes dealing with eyelashes, you have to have patience. That's just the main thing, and sometimes it can take 10 minutes just to put on a lash, and we're not even gonna discuss it. But they did do a good job with the hack. They do look more volumizing, I can say, and I can tell with the lashes. And here's a clip of me with a previous video with the same lashes on, and here's a clip with this one. So I mean, you can't go wrong with that, and I feel bad for the lashes that you got thrown away. That could have been definitely brought to life a little bit more with the same hack, you know, rip to those lashes. But anyways, this hack is amazing. I love this hack. It really is a lifesaver when it comes down to, you know, instead of throwing them away, spice them up, give it a little go, and you're good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I'll see you soon.